Okay, here's the layout of the kitchen to size and scale, starting with the window wall, our dishwasher to the right, 3 floating shelves that are 12 inches deep and stained. We'll use alder. I know you're going to get me the wood sample, the shiplap hood. From here, it's just a limitation with the program. But from the back of the wall to the front is 22. And then this front section from here over where the seam is will angle back about 6 inches. So the front is sloped back with horizontal shiplap on the front and the sides. These are narrower. These are 4 3/4, and if we make them that small, they're going to have to be slab, not shaker, because we don't have enough room. But this is 4 3/4, shallower, about 1.5 inches shallower than what it was, and these are even. So with this sink cabinet, if we look at the side view here, the drawer box side height is 6 inches. So from here down, we'll open up as one drawer, and we're going to have to put an L-shaped wood support piece in here to stiffen this up. It'll only come out about 1 inch, but it'll come down to the bottom of the drawer and then go back to give it some rigidity. Otherwise, it's not going to work. This is 4 inches off the casing. Countertop's going to hang over 1.5 inches. We have 21 inches from the top of the countertop to the bottom. So that puts the bottom of these at 59 1/4. This is the pantry wall, 18 inches deep, crown molding across the top, the width. There's a rollout here, and then your 4th rollout and adjustable shelves here. So the top of the upper rollout is 52 inches, and these rollouts are 3.5 inches tall. So you have 10 inches in between plus about 3 inches. Your fridge is here, no fridge leg, no upper, big plant shelf, 12 inches deep, alder, 3 metal supports. These are even, these drawers, 21 inches above the countertop. And then the peninsula wall, which is here. Have it coming out 90 inches, plus the 1.5 inches that's off the wall. 3 even drawers, shiplap on the left side and on the back, horizontal shiplap. Here are the sizes for it. Then the countertop will overhang 12 inches off the back. We'll have to have the crown molding come around and return into itself here. And we'll have to put some blocking that sits on top of this cabinet to the ceiling to give it some rigidity. Because just attaching to the end of the wall won't work. Okay, let me know what you think of that. Thanks, guys.